The research program here has been very well established. There are professors here that are very well known in their field. It's a very rich academic environment.
We can go as traditional as concrete and asphalt materials, but we also have professors that do nanomaterials or that model structures using non-traditional approaches.
It gives you the great opportunity to hands-on on many different types of materials.
I think it's very unique what we have at Purdue. Very commonly, I see a lot of groups work together and find each other because their research overlap or their goals overlap. And so there is this ability to learn from other groups and to work from them. We have a Panco lab, we have chemistry lab, and we have access to a wide variety of other labs.
Purdue is a big university. The good thing is we can use any equipment in any core facility. So we have many options. You will have good analytical skills. You will have a lot of experience in many areas. But the good thing is you will be prepared.
I learned how to do research systematically, think independently, and build up my career.
Every day you're amazed by your discoveries of yourself and your colleagues, and you learn from them, and that excites you to go about knowing more of the unknown.